I'm here sa NAIA Terminal 3 and today, pupunta ako ng Boracay. Nandito na yung order ko na tocino. Sana maganda panahon. Order ako ng ensaymada with Laguna cheese. Nag-order ako ng fruitcake. Gusto ko dito yung brandy. Malalasing kaya ako dito. Siyempre, hindi pwede mawala ang tsokolate. Sarap. Kainin ko na itong fruit. Ito, hindi na sa dudo na yung fruit cake. Ate, malinis naman siguro itong lamesa mo. Boracay transfer for local tourists from airport to hotel resort is 850 pesos, includes airport, shuttle, speedboat, car, and environmental fee. For foreign tourists, it's 1,050 pesos. So this will be the airport shuttle going to the speedboat. May mga kasama tayong ibang tourists. Then after some documentation, we will take the speedboat going to Boracay. Ayan, ang ganda ng ating speedboat. Fairways and Blue Waters yata yan. And after just a few minutes, we will arrive in Boracay Island. Then last is the shuttle service that will be going to Fairways and Blue Waters. It's been years since my last visit in Boracay. Nag-pandemic pa. Grabe, na-miss ko itong lugar na ito. Ang ganda at ang laki ng entrance gate ng Fairways and Blue Waters. I have to register my presence in the members lounge. Napaaga yung dating ko. Very peaceful and relaxing dito. Meron tayong privacy. Meron ditong 80 security personnel. Naninibago talaga ako. Of course, the refreshing welcome drinks. Hindi halatang uhaw na uhaw ako. And this is my villa here in Fairways and Blue Waters, which I got way back 1995. It's a one-bedroom villa. I was telling my siblings way back to use it na because I was planning to sell it. But after they saw it, wag ko na daw ibenta. Sige na nga. So welcome to my villa. This is my kitchen area. Dito ako nagluluto ng sinigang, etc. etc. This is my fridge. Meron pang stock ng drinks. And this is the dining area. Then the living room with television. Then the veranda with the view of the golf course. Teka, natakpan na ng puno yung view ko. Hindi, okay lang yan to protect the windows to be hit accidentally by the golf balls. Tara, balik tayo sa loob. Ipapakita ko pa yung ibang part ng villa. By the way, the villa is fully air-conditioned kaya malamig. naman is the small utility room. Then the comfort room. Nasa loob ng closet ang safety deposit box. Ito ang sink. Nakaseparate ang toilet and bath. Then beside naman is the bedroom with a king-size bed. Aso ba itong ginawa sa towel? May bulaklak pa. Of course, may television din dito sa bedroom. And another veranda with the view of the tree. Ang presko dito sa labas. Nagugutom na naman ako, kaya eto, tawid lang ng gate itong City Mall, Boracay. May mga fast food dito para madami tayong pwedeng magawa. First stop ko is Chowking. Wala sa Manila nito. Ito na yung order ko. At Siomai Chokan. Siomai. Pumunta ang Boracay para kumain sa Chowking. May pansit pa. Chicken. We will now do a pool tour inside Fairways and Blue Waters. At present, there are 7 pools inside this 80-hectare property in Boracay. First on the list is the Ventana Pool. The Ventana Pool has a spectacular view of the beach and Sibuyan Sea and is open from 11 a.m. to 10 p.m. It has an infinity pool, colored fountains, jacuzzi, and cabanas. Second is the Infinity Pool. It is located just below the Ventana Pool. Like the Ventana Pool, it also has a spectacular view of the beach and Sibuyan Sea and is open from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. This is the oldest of all the pools inside Fairways and Blue Waters. I still remember this is the only pool available when Fairways and Blue Waters opened its doors to its members. And the only reception area is just a staircase away from this pool. You have a clear view of the keyhole from this area. Very relaxing ang view dito. Sarap tumambay and just enjoy nature. Third is the Laguna Pool. Laguna Pool is located in the hotel area of Fairways and Blue Waters, just beside Monterey Cafe, Laguna Cafe, and White Barn Brewing Company. Fourth is the Augusta Pool. Augusta Pool is also located in the hotel area of Fairways and Blue Waters, just beside Cocina de Augusta. There is a fountain, shower in the pool where kids and kids at heart will enjoy. There is also a bar area in the pool for you to enjoy some drinks while dipping inside. And you will also enjoy the view of nature that surrounds the vicinity. Fifth is the Lucia Pool. Lucia Pool is located at Villa Lucia, still inside Fairways and Blue Waters. It has a jacuzzi and a pool area. Ayan, naglaro na ang bata. Nainitan na kasi ako, kaya sarap lumublob. sarap. Ang lamig ng tubig. Tapos ang ganda pa ng panahon. Meron din silang bar inside the pool. Sixth is the Cabana Pool. The Cabana Pool is located near the villas inside Fairways and Blue Waters. Though located beside the road, you can still enjoy the privacy of swimming inside the pool. There is also a bar inside the pool. Just beside the Paradise Cove is the Marine Spa. Here, you can enjoy a relaxing massage near the beach area. And if you go inside, you will enter the 7th pool in Fairways and Blue Waters, the Atlantis Pool. The Atlantis Pool is the largest pool in the resort. Though at present, this pool is under maintenance, so we're only allowed to take some videos. But I was able to swim here the last time I visited the place. What I like with this pool is the access to the beach area. It is located just beside the beach. So guys, that's all for our pool tour inside Fairways and Blue Waters. Lilibutin naman natin ngayon ang ilan sa mga pwede nating puntahan dito sa loob. From the Infinity Pool, meron ditong stairway going to the private beach. Dito din ang daan papuntang Marine Spa and Atlantis Pool. But this time, dadaan tayo dito sa parang maliit na kuweba na nasa ilalim nito. See? Ang tahimik dito. Very private. Noon, noong mga 1990s, sinusundo ako sa katiklan ng private yacht ng Fairways of Blue Waters. Tapos dito kami ibinababa sa likod. Hindi kami doon binababa sa harap kung nasaan yung White Beach area, kundi dito sa likod. May sariling pier dito, ang Fairways of Blue Waters. So yun ang pupuntahan natin. So tingnan nyo guys, white sand pa rin dito. Though mas clear yung tubig doon sa White Beach area than dito. Meron ng mga parang halaman. Dito ako naliligo noon. Dito may privacy ka. Imagine walang tao dito noon. Ang sarap. Parang solong-solo mo yung island ng Boracay pag nandito ka sa likod. Nako, nakalimutan ko mag-sunblock. Ngayon lang, Diyos ko kung kailan naman ako lumabas ng araw, doon naman ako hindi nag-sunblock. Ngayon lang naman. Babawi ako next time, babawi ako rin mamaya. Anong bawi ang gagawin ko? Hindi ko alam. Ito, mainit, magandang panahon ngayon dito. Very nice ang nature. Ay, nakikisama talaga sa akin ang panahon. Very nice. So, papunta tayo sa keyhole. Keyhole ang tawag nila dito. Ito yung bato doon sa dulo. Parang madudulas yata ako dito. Ilang meters pa lang naman ang nilalakad natin. Pero kung pabalik doon sa room, kilometro. Ang layo. Guys, maganda pumunta dito sa keyhole. Kasi maganda ang view. Maganda mag-picture-picture dito. Tapos from here, makikita nyo na yung Fairways and Blue Waters. Papakita ko sa inyo. Ayun no. Sa aking likuran. Yan. Balik dito sa akin muna. Yan. Papunta na ako sa keyhole. Makikita na natin yung actual na butas. Tinawag na keyhole kasi parang butas daw na pinapasukan na susi. Kaya keyhole. Pero bawal na yata pumasok doon. Before nakakapasok pa ako doon.
Look lang po kayo. Para may
daw mag-picture doon sa keyhole. May pila daw pero kahit di naman kayo pumila talaga, pwede naman. Ang lakas ng wifi ng Fairways. Hanggang dito sa labas, abot kahit doon sa dulo. Ang lakas ng wifi, promise. No password needed. Kaya sarap dito sa Fairways. Imagine 80 hectares to. Ito yung biggest area yata dito sa island ng Boracay. Ang hirap lang ikutin. Kailangan nyo talaga sumakay. Pero sarap uminom ng malamig na drinks. Pabalik na tayo. Akyat na ulit ako sa stairs. Uy, medyo madilim. So, nasa likod ko na yung beach sa likod. Doon tayo galing kanina. Ayan, yan. Yun yung keyhole. And medyo uneven yung taas ng hagdan dito. Kinakapagod kasi akala mo mababa, biglang tataas. Tapos bababa ulit, baka matisod tayo. Kaya ingat-ingat lang. Ang sarap ng lamig. Grabe. So, sakay muna ako ng van pabalik sa villa. Medyo mainit na talaga, baka mag-heat stroke ako.
2,000 years later.
So, nagpahinga lang ako ng konti. Tapos naglagay ako ng sunblock. Kanina kasi wala akong sunblock. Ito naman ang ilan lamang sa mga view ng fairway when you're inside the resort. Very relaxing talaga kapag napapaligiran ako ng greens. So now, pupunta naman ulit ako sa Cocina de Augusta. Pagbaba ninyo dito ay madadaanan ninyo ang lobby ng hotel. Just go straight sa likod at nandito na kayo sa Cocina de Augusta. Masarap kasi ang food nila dito. May rainbow doon sa may fountain. Ganda oh. Look at the hanging balconies. Sarap humiga dito. Ang presko. Cheers. Nag-order ako ng frozen iced tea para fresh. So ito yung kanilang pansit habhab. Tingnan nyo, may lechon kawali. Ang sarap. Pero ang pansit habhab, alam ko kinakamay. Nilalagay sa daon ng saging. Unfortunately, wala silang daon ng saging. So, pansit habhab pa ba ito? Ito yung pansit habhab. Lechon. Pansit habhab. Whoa. Look at the pizza. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the bell for new video updates. Thanks for watching!